In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to get your website found with SEO. SEO is an acronym for Search Engine Optimization, which means that your website is optimized to be found by the search engine spiders and for it to be listed highly in their search engine rankings. It's important for your site to be properly optimized for these search engine spiders, as many internet users use search engines such as Google and Bing to find information and products they are looking for. If your website can be listed for the keywords or key phrases they're searching for, chances are high that they will reach your site and be willing to purchase from you. Keywords and key phrases are the words and phrases a prospective customer would use to find your site via the search engines. It's the words and phrases they will input into the search engine box to find the information and/or offers they are looking for. It's important that you determine what those keywords and/or key phrases are for your business and industry so that you can rank highly for them and be found by prospective customers. Take some time to learn what these words and phrases are. Looking at the title pages of competitors' sites in your industry can help you to focus on the specific keywords and key phrases you need to rank highly for those words and phrases. Getting links back to your site from high-ranking and highly respected websites in your industry is key to ranking high in the search engines. It's important to note that the links you get must be natural. They cannot be paid for or forced in any way. The best way to get natural links back to your website is through quality content you post on your site and on industry-leading blogs, forums, and other sites. You can include a link back to your site at the bottom of each post and/or article that you submit. If the content you provide is good, Internet users will want to visit your site and other site owners will want to share your content with their followers and visitors, spreading your link further and boosting your site's search engine ranking. Having active social media accounts that link back to your site can also help to boost your site's search engine ranking. If you provide interesting content and link to interesting content on your social media accounts, more people will want to follow you and will want to share your content with others. This will increase the visibility of your content and your links, which will increase your site's search engine ranking.